Tew Farmhouse and Barns is Grade 2 listed farmhouse and outbuildings, which we've turned into 6 holiday lets. When we first started the project, we had a series of buildings which were in a dilapidated state, some without roofs, some with roofs that had corrugated iron. We had various discussions with planners, and we were encouraged to come up with a design that, as near as possible, mirrored what was here originally. We decided that an agricultural type roof was what we were looking for, and we turned to zinc and a standing seam zinc roof, which, rather than having consistent bay widths, we broke down into 3 different sizes just to stop the roof looking bland. It was important for us to keep a flat surface on the roof. We discussed various options for the roof lights, from conservation roof lights to pure paint and glazing, but chose the Rooflight company and worked in conjunction with them by slightly adapting their existing offer of the Neo by increasing the depth of the frame, allowing us to sink the roof lights in, so we created this seamless effect. The Rooflight company being within 15 miles of us, this obviously helped with their carbon footprint, but also we were able to visit the factory and work to adapt the base unit to accommodate what we were looking for, and for us to end up with the beautiful roof light that we now have. We have nearly 30 roof lights, so to actually have 30 identical roof lights was never going to look right. We wanted to break the roof up, so it was very important to us that there was the versatility of different sizes that were available. Also, the colour was quite important to us. The colour complements the zinc, but the most important aspect for us was the fact that the glass extended to the full extent of the roof light. We were looking to get as much light as we could into the top floor of the building. This has worked, but what we've also found is that sometimes people don't want all that sunlight. So it was good being able to install blinds. They achieve complete blackout, so it gives our customers the options. What was also crucial to us was the buildings are very sustainable, and we obviously get a lot of solar gain with being double and triple glazed. So the need for ventilation was critical. The roof lights enable us to open to such an extent that we can very quickly dump hot air out of the building. The gas struts are very well made and are very smooth, and this linked with the solid stainless steel handle, that when you actually open the roof light, you really feel as if you're opening quality. It became apparent in our very early discussions with Charlie Luxton, the architect for the project, that we needed the quality to be throughout the whole of the scheme. When people come to visit, you get one chance of impressing them. So if they go away with the thought of something not working or in any way a bad impression, we failed. And by using the Neo roof lights, we feel that we've achieved everything that we set out to achieve. Both internally and externally, they have a wow factor.